Hi guys, today we're going to be using some leaves to help us create our painting. Before we get to that part though, I'm first going to prepare the background using some nice fall or autumn colors. I'll indicate the colors as we go along and I'll also list all of them in the description box. Now I'm just gradually blending the various colors using upward and downward strokes to create the effect that I'm looking for. Something that I do to help me with my blending is just to gently spritz the canvas with water to keep the paint slightly wet as I'm working with it. I just use this little bottle, and by doing that it just gives you a little bit of extra time to do the blending. I'm sorry if I sound a little bit strange today. I do have a bit of a cold, so sorry about any weird voice sounds. Anyway, after this, I'm going to let the painting dry for about a week, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the leaf imprints. To create the leaf imprints, I'm just painting the back of the leaf using ivory black. You just want to spread the paint evenly over the leaf and make sure the paint isn't too thick. Then once you've done that, you just want to gently press the leaf down onto the canvas. And then you just repeat this multiple times until you have the number of leaves that you want. Next, I'm going to use Deco Art Extreme Sheen Champagne Gold. And finally, I'm going to add some leaves in Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.